Hello friends, we are going to study the next topic of embryology, that is gametogenesis. I am Vaidya Meenakshi Bagal, Assistant Professor, Global Institute of Ayurveda, Rajkot. What is gametogenesis? The process of formation of gametes is called gametogenesis. Definition: gametogenesis can be defined as the process of conversion of primordial or primitive germ cells and their maturation into male and female gametes. Primordial germ cells, in short we call it as PGC, primitive sex cells. Gametes are derived from primordial germ cell during 4th week of development. The PGC appear in the wall of yolk sac. They then migrate to the developing gonad. They move from the coelomic epithelium and adjacent mesenchyme. The PGC undergo mitotic division during their migration. Mitosis result in increase in their number. Now we are seeing events of gametogenesis. First is formation and migration of PGC and their differentiation into male and gamete sexes. This process is happening in intrauterine life with the embryo. Second event is mitotic division of germ cells. Third is meiotic reduction in DNA of the germ cells. And fourth is differentiation and maturation of germ cells. This is the ये representation है. Migration of primordial germ cells at caudal lane of yolk sac. This is the diagram of yolk sac, and here foregut is shown in the blue, foregut, hindgut, and red dots are primordial germ cells. They migrate towards the hindgut. Phase 1 and 2 are similar in both sexes, while timing and pattern of third and fourth are different. The PGC are formed in the ectoderm oblique epiblast of the bilaminar germ disc. Bilamina, two lamina, ectoderm and endoderm. Okay. The bilaminar germ disc of human embryo during 2nd week of development. They move to the wall of yolk sac by 4th week. By 5th week, they reach by developing gonad. Gonadal differentiation occur in 6th week. PGC, they undergo mitosis. Further, they form male and female gametes depending on their chromosomal structure. Spermatogenesis. Definition: it is a process of maturation of male gametes in the wall of seminiparous tubules. What are male gametes? Male gametes are spermatozoa. Timing: the formation of spermatozoa takes place during the reproductive period, puberty, that is 12 to 16 years till old age. Duration 64 to 74 days. Stages: spermatocytosis, meiosis, spermiogenesis. Now we are going to see the first stage, spermatocytosis. It is the process of conversion of spermatogonia to primary spermatocytes. Spermatogonia, what is? Primordial cells. Okay. Spermatogonia to primary spermatocytes. Time period is 16 days. Formation of stem cells. The PGC give rise to spermatogonial stem cells. From these stem cells, a group of cells are formed at regular intervals and are called type A spermatogonia. Stages: stage 1, production of a spermatogonia. Stage 2, type A spermatogonia, 44 plus X plus Y, undergo a limited number of mitotic division and form a clone of cells. Stage 3, the last division of cells, become type B spermatogonia. Stage 4, the type A spermatogonia are dark and type B are pale in color. Type A spermatogonia are reserve cells. Stage 5, the spermatogonia type B 44 plus X plus Y enlarge and undergo mitosis to form primary spermatocytes. Thus primary spermatocytes are formed by type B spermatogonia. Now, meiotic division. It is the process of conversion of primary spermatocytes to the secondary spermatocytes and then spermatids. Time period is 24 days. Meiosis first. The primary spermatocytes 44 plus X plus Y divide to form two secondary spermatocytes 22 plus X oblique 22 plus Y. Meiosis 2, each spermatocyte divide to form two spermatid. It is called equation meiosis because in this meiosis the chromosome number remain constant 22 plus X and 22 plus Y. There occur balancing of specific chromosome number and DNA content by reduction in equation division. Spermiogenesis. Separate question is asked in exam on spermiogenesis, the process by which spermatid 22 plus X oblique 22 plus Y gradually changes its shape to become a spermatozoon is called spermiogenesis. Formation of spermatozoon from spermatid is called spermiogenesis. Time period 24 days. It is the final stage in the maturation of spermatids into mature motile spermatozoa. The spermatid is more or less circular cell containing nucleus, Golgi apparatus, centriole and mitochondria. Major events in spermiogenesis: nuclear morphogenesis and condensation, formation of tail, formation of acrosome, rearrangement of organelles, shedding of excess cytoplasm. Spermiogenesis. Various processes in spermiogenesis. Nucleus, condensation of nucleus and it moves to one pole to form the head. Golgi apparatus, it is transferred into the acrosomic cap. Acrosomal cap covers 2/3 part of the nucleus. Centrosome, the centriole divides into two parts. The proximal centriole becomes spherical and comes to lie in the neck. The axial filament appears to grow out of it. Distal centriole forms the distal end of the middle piece, that is annulus. Centrioles are concerned for movement. Mitochondria forms a spiral sheath with axial filament around the middle piece. The remaining part of the axial filament elongates to form the tail. Cytoplasm, most of it is shed as residual bodies of Raynaud and are engulfed by Sertoli cells. Cell membrane persists as a covering for the spermatozoon, helps in sperm egg recognition, sperm egg binding, sperm egg fusion. Here the process of spermatogenesis diagrammatic representation. Red, first cell divides, mitotic division, type A spermatocytes and type 2. From type B, primary spermatocyte is formed, and from primary spermatocyte meiotic division happens, and by meiosis the number reduces, chromosome number reduces. Look the form. From primary spermatocyte there are 4 spermatozoa. Maturation and capacitation of spermatozoa. Spermatozoa are immature on formation. They are non-motile and incapable of fertilizing an ovum. They are carried to the epididymis from testes for storage. They mature in epididymis. Glycoproteins of plasma membrane covering the sperm head undergo changes. This is maturation. Spermatozoa acquire some motility after maturation. Spermatozoa acquire the ability to fertilize an ovum only after they have been in the female genital tract for some time. This is called capacitation. During capacitation, the glycoprotein coat and seminal proteins on the surface of the spermatozoa are altered. When a spermatozoon comes in contact with the zona pellucida of ovum, lysosomal enzymes are released from acrosome. This is called acrosome reaction. These enzymes help in digesting the zona pellucida and in penetration of the spermatozoa through it. Changes in the properties of zona pellucida constitute the zona reaction. It is now the structure of spermatozoa. It is highly specialized, free swimming, actively motile cell. What are the parts? Head, neck, middle piece and a principal piece or tail. Length in 60 micron millimeter. Head derived from nucleus, upper part hard. It consists of acrosome. Acrosome contains lysosomal enzymes for penetration of zona pellucida of ovum. Has highly condensed chromatin. Chromatin condensation is due to protamines. Neck is narrow structure. Its shape is funnel. Basal body with spherical centriole. 9 rod-like structures are present. Third, middle part with tail. Axial filament comes from centriole, arranged in central fibrils surrounding 9 pairs of fibrils along with 9 petal-shaped fibrils. Axial filament is surrounded by mitochondrial spiral sheath. Axial filament further continues as tail. Now we are going to see oogenesis. What is the oogenesis? What is the definition of it? The process of maturation and differentiation of primordial germ cell to the oogonia. Primary oocytes, secondary oocytes and to mature ova in the female genital tract is oogenesis. Location is ovarian cortex. Characteristic features of oogenesis. Starts before birth, 10th week of intraembryonic life. Stops in the middle, birth to puberty. And again restarts at puberty 11 to 13 years. Continue up to menopause 45 to 55 years. Process of oogenesis before birth. Before 3rd month, the PGC undergo mitosis to form oogonia. Testicular differentiation factor is absent. Before 7th month, the oogonia continue to divide mitotically. Some oogonia enlarge to form primary oocyte. 7th month to birth. Formation of primordial follicles. Primary oocyte with its surrounding fat epithelial cells. Primary oocyte enters prophase 1 of meiosis 1. In this phase, the meiosis is arrested by oocyte maturation inhibitor factor. The oogonia are diploid in number. Many of these oogonia and primary oocytes degenerate before birth. Now birth to puberty. Due to both maturation and degeneration of primordial follicle, number of primary oocyte is reduced. At the time of birth, all primary oocytes are in the prophase of first meiotic division. At birth, about 2 lakh primary oocytes are present in each ovary. Instead of entering metaphase, the primary oocytes enter prolonged resting or diplotin stage. After puberty, from the time of birth to the puberty, there is degeneration of number of primary oocytes. In puberty, primary oocytes start meiotic division to ovulate. The first meiotic division of primary oocyte produces 2 unequal daughter cells. One is large cell and second is small cell. Large cell is called secondary oocyte and small cell is called first polar body. The secondary oocyte immediately enters the second meiotic cell division. Ovulation takes place while the oocyte is in metaphase. The secondary oocyte remains arrested in metaphase till fertilization occurs. The second meiotic division is completed only if fertilization occurs. This division results in 2 unequal daughter cells. Larger cell is called ovum and smaller daughter cell is called the second polar body. If there is no fertilization, the secondary oocyte degenerates about 24 hours after ovulation without completing meiosis. one mature egg cell formation and polar bodies. Okay, first division, first polar body formation is shown in this diagram, and after then here second polar body, and this is mature egg cell. Haploid with monochromated chromosomes. Thank you.